My man.
Mate, it's so hard.
So we bought a cheap, smashed up Golf R.
And then modified it.
Anyone who's been following us will know it's got an issue.
Yeah, it can't handle power. So in this video, we cure that problem. We're going to do a clutch on Golf R finally. It's arrived. We haven't had a bit to bear, but we've not had time. So we're going to get it done and do a little video. Hopefully get it on track soon.
Fancy clutch, innit?
Yeah.
I'll show you it anyway.
Yeah.
It gets in there.
Yeah, it's really good. So hopefully it can handle power then, and it doesn't slip all the way.
Don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment of what's going to break next.
I hope it's not Gearbox.
Because the clutch is currently the weakest link.
Yeah. I've got everything really apart from the Gearbox, because I've got a DSG one as well. Anyway, it's another story. Alright, we'll take you with us. Right, so what we're going to do first is take all the top off, battery tray out, all airbox, all nice trimmings off, and then we can get to all Gearbox, take all linkages off, and get all the top bit done before we lift it up, get wheels off. Quite accessible actually. So it's actually quite accessible. So we'll take starter off and we can take all the clutch sleeve off, battery box and all that off, and then to be fair, it doesn't look like too hard to get to. So all battery trays out, all top gearbox bolts are out, all gear linkages are off.
I've took all airbox out already.
Have you? You've just turned up, that's all you've done, you've just turned up.
I've been here all day, mate.
You might have been here all day, then you disappeared.
What time did you get here?
Before you were already 8 o'clock this morning. Yeah.
Once.
Right, so we're going to take the drive shaft out this side, and there'll be loads of little multi-splines normally that hold it on in that side, and we'll get this off. Not been off before that. How many extensions have you got to get that bolt out?
All these, but we need a wobbly on this. All the length, all the time. Oh, that's put on there. Tight in here, isn't it?
Yeah.
You know, this one with the DSG one, but oh, maybe it's just behind whatever that little fill thing is there.
Oh yeah, no, they're massive, aren't they? So what we're doing now, took shaft out that side. On this side we're just going to undo the transfer box, hopefully keep it in place. So we can just drop box out and hopefully it'll just drop out, but I'm not 100% certain it is. So we're going to try his luck and then go from there, because there's some bolts at the top that I can't see.
So we just took our shafts out. Josh has said we were best off to take diff off. Obviously because it's driven by the gearbox, we don't know how far the shaft goes inside.
So we put an engine support on now, just so it up so we can drop it down and take gearbox off that way. So we've ended up taking subframe off, and now we're just wiggling box off. I really should be helping them, to be honest, but we'll be alright. But they're happy.
What's that? Hey, which one's that?
Can't tell you.
You're not going to be aggressive, tell me now. Get it off your hand, what?
Fucking it's got to go a long way that way,
It's
mate.
got to go back on it a good bit.
Go a long way that way.
There's loads of room.
Ready?
Not that much room now. Let's see if that's
Come down now.
Hold on, let's put this book here.
Oh, slaves don't look good.
Ready?
Slave does not look good. Gearbox. Just kidding. I mean, I was kidding.
It was not like it was slipping. It's only slipping when you put full chat down.
It's only slipping when you leave its grip. What are you doing here, Josh?
Right, so we're just taking all these pressure plate bolts out. Oh.
Save top one for last, I'll
I'll put a no slave in it while we go out.
No.
Well, that's what we'll do.
No. I don't believe in that. Got it.
Yeah, got it.
I don't think it'll look bad because it won't slip in. It's only slipping on.
Don't think it'll look bad, look at the fire wheel. Not bad to be fair. Loads of meat on it actually.
It just couldn't handle the power.
It's just got hot on it, look. The fire wheel.
It's not hot now though. So
It's not hot now.
Wow, well.
That's fine now. Stinks now, doesn't it?
This is old clutch, out at Golfar. Doesn't actually look terrible. It's that clutch original, isn't it?
Right, yeah.
It just can't handle extra coldness, to be honest. So this is what we're replacing it with. So it's a 5-paddle clutch. So it is a full paddle, both sides. None of that hybrid, make it drivable business, eh Josh?
No mate, not good.
It's also got grooved pressure plates to go with it. So we'll get that in and see how undrivable it is.
What do you like?
6. So we'll go 5 to the safe.
I hate doing these bolts.
Got a black pressure plate for stealth, everything else for plate.
It's to retain all the heat.
9mm. So.
It takes like work, like you put them in more than half a thread.
About half a thread each.
Half a thread.
Right, I can't.
Yeah, I'm going to say that's not even touching yet.
No.
No. That's it.
Right, I ain't doing that.
What's up with you?
Well, you do it then. So when we were taking the box out, Andy bent these backing plate, and now our bottles line up.
Where's the blame claim? Never been cropped in his life till now. You know when you get famous? Yeah. We'll throw anything but crops.
Man,
That's how it was now.
Where's your crops, Josh?
I think we should sponsor you, mate. Should give you free crops.
Yeah, free crops.
Free
If anyone
crops.
wants to sponsor us, crop from crops.
Out your side, Andy.
Josh needs some welding crops.
Still out your side, Andy.
Yeah. Like normal crops, you'd be like, oh. Yeah,
Right.
go on. Yeah. Hang on.
why are you mad, Callum?
Because I'm working with you still.
Oh, he's an angry man. He's an angry man.
You working with us?
Right, Josh, what you got and what you can do with it?
Right, this is the deadly long bolt that goes through the drive shaft cup. We had a bit of trouble getting gearbox off, and then this is what we're down to. And you need a really thin 6mm on the really thin extension just to get it in. So
And it lives like that, say, in the middle of the cup, in there, and it goes deep. We'll try and show you. Few cross-fed that. Don't have a lot of tension to it, does it? That's that one.
it don't fit nicely, wouldn't it? That just suddenly stops. Don't like that.
Josh has fitted clutch all by his son, as you'll see that video.
Right, it's all done, back together. We're just about to see how horrible it is to drive.
So first start, we're going to see Josh's first time to pull away.
Right, let's go.
Let's see how many attempts it takes to get out that door.
Right, so this is first time we'll have put any power down properly with a clutch that can handle it. Hopefully, well, yeah, hopefully it can handle it, yeah. Just do a little bit of a launch now and then we'll see if it'll fall. Yeah. Oh no. Right, so it doesn't slip in
Definitely don't slip.
but that traction will go in mad. I don't think that will full bins.
Hang on, what's happening here?
So we'll try it now with traction on, see if that makes any difference.
Definitely not slipping.
No, really. Oh my god.
I think next week is like man tyres.
Hey, that is fast. It just keeps going and going. Obviously, I think it must be slipping straight from full like 4,000 revs every gear because it didn't feel that second pull.
Just variable timing though, wasn't it?
Yeah,
So when it starts to make more power, doesn't it?
Yeah. Casual 35 mile an hour.
Private road though, isn't it?
What?
Private road though.
Yeah. We're in Mexico. So yeah, that's loads better. Get power down. So yeah.
Everyone who watches,
And don't forget to like and subscribe and comment on this video.
cheers everyone, see you in the next one.